It's Karina from Per Diem Thrifts. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. And today we're taking a look at one of my old haul videos. And I'm going to be talking to you guys about what sold, what didn't sell, and overall how well that haul did. This video was actually requested by a few people, so I'm glad I'm finally recording this for you guys. The video that we are talking about was my Jomar versus Salvage Traders shoe unboxing haul. I will link that up if you guys haven't watched it, if you guys want to check it out. But I'm going to be talking to you guys about how much I paid and how much I made. It's been about 6 months since I did the unboxing. I got these boxes in December of 2020. It is now June 2021, so I figured it's been enough time for these items to sell. So now I'm going to share with you guys my numbers. So first we're going to talk about the Jomar box. I purchased a pre-owned shoe box. I believe there were 21 pairs. I feel like that's not right, but I watched the video over and I counted 21 pairs. Could be wrong, but anyway, I paid a total of $103 for this box, including shipping, and overall, this is including all the fees and everything. This is just the total gross sales that I've made. I've made $111. So definitely not the best. There were 21 pairs. 9 of them I ended up redonating because they were just really crappy, or I just didn't want to sell them. 5 of them I took to either a consignment store like Plato's Closet, Buffalo Exchange, or I sent them into ThredUp, and I received like a trade amount for them. And 4 pairs I sold. So it was that 4 pairs that made the $111. I'm only going to be sharing with you guys the items that I sold. So all of the shoes sold on Poshmark, and the first pair that sold were the Steve Madden Riley flats. These sold for $18 on February 20th, so it took about 2 months for them to sell. The next pair actually sold pretty quickly. They were the Madewell Eleanor flats. These sold for $28 on the day after Christmas, on 12/26. That was an exciting one. I remember I sold those so quickly, and I found them again, another pair at Goodwill, like a couple days later, and I picked those up, and those ones took forever to sell. So I don't know, maybe it was the size or what, but whatever. The next pair that sold quickly as well. This was actually the first pair to sell. It was a pair of Banana Republic calf hair heels. They sold for $35 on Poshmark on 12/14, so again, very quick sale. The next one that sold were the Madewell Erica flats. These sold for $30 in February, on February 12th. So it took about 2 months for those ones to sell as well. Those were the only ones that I sold from that box. Everything else was either donated or taken to Plato's. Actually, I have 2 pairs still listed in my closet. The first one are these Banana Republic heels and these Born heels. Both are brands that I don't typically pick up when I go sourcing. I don't know why I still have them. I don't know why I don't just send them to ThredUp or something, but we're holding out to see if they sell. Other side of things, my Salvage Traders box was absolutely amazing. I do want to say something before I begin sharing my numbers for Salvage Traders. They are no longer called Salvage Traders. Salvage Traders, I believe, was part of NWAT Outlet, New Without Tags Outlet, but they have now branched off. There was still New Without Tags Outlet, but there is another company called San Diego Resale. San Diego Resale is ran by one of my PFFs, Dana. She was also the person behind Salvage Traders and the NWAT Outlet San Diego. She's behind all the small boxes that you might have purchased. So definitely check out her new website, San Diego Resale. I absolutely love this box. It's not for sale at the moment. She doesn't have any available. Hopefully in the future she'll come out with some more, because I would definitely buy this box again. I received 10 pairs and I paid $121.19 with shipping. So it was less shoes, but I made in total $278. I had 10 pairs originally. I still have 2 pairs, so I still have room to make money. I didn't donate any of them. I sold 6 of them, and 2 of them I sent into Plato's or ThreadUp. I can't remember off the top of my head. But I'm going to go through and tell you exactly what sold. The 2 pairs that I still have are these Sam Edelman gray knee-high boots and these Abound boots. I'm gonna have to hold out on them until it gets colder again, but I do want to sell these boots. I think they'll do fine. I think I'll be able to make good money off them, especially these Sam Edelman ones. So I'm holding on to those for now. I took one to Plato's, and it was this Chase and Chloe boot. They were kind of cheapy material in my opinion, but Plato's Closet, I feel like that's right up their alley, no shame. And then the last pair were these Naturalizer boots. I also took these to Plato's Closet, and they took them. I probably got like minimal payout for them, but that was fine. I ended up trading to get other inventory. So for the ones that sold, I sold 6 pairs. The first were these Kate Spade rain boots, and these sold for $50. I believe all of these sold on Poshmark as well. These are just the gross sales. If I offered a shipping discount, I didn't note that in my notes. But anyway, moving on. The next pair that sold, and this is one of the higher price sales that I made, were the Pajar snow boots, and these sold for $70. The next pair that sold were these Sperry boots, and they sold for $35. And the other higher sale that I made were these Born boots by they're called the Born Kodo boots, and these also sold for $70. This one was the lowest sale that I made, and they were these Chuka rain boots, and they only sold for $18, but they sold pretty quick. And the last pair that I sold were these Born leather boots, and these also sold for $35. So I know a lot of you guys already guessed how well this was gonna go on the original video. A lot of you guys commented that the second box, the Salvage Traders box, was way better than the Jomar box, and I will have to say that the Jomar box was all pre-owned shoes, and the Salvage Trader ones was all new without tags or new with tags, so there was a big difference. But I don't see myself purchasing a shoebox from Jomar again unless it is new with tags. But yeah, if Salvage Traders or now San Diego Resale ever comes out with this box again, I will definitely pick it up. Highly recommend them. They ship super fast. Their products are quality. That's the end of this video. I'm gonna do more of these where I look back on previous hauls and share my numbers with you guys. So if there's a specific video that you guys want to see the results of, leave a comment on that video or let me know down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. It was really fun to look at my old hauls and compare what I would pick up then versus now, and just to see how much like I've grown and how much my sourcing decisions have changed since then. But anyway, thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!